What's going on, guys? I know it's been a long time, but here I am. Life just keeps lifing. But anyway, got a friend called me, Gerald. I've done 2 videos out there. His electric red coupe and a reef blue coupe. He said he bought something else. I will link those 2 other videos in the description, so I'll see you when we get there. All right, guys, over here, check this out. He got home a Chevy Mustang. Code start. Check out this shirt, guys. Turn around, Gerald.
Mike Murillo.
Awesome. Got the Sniper EFI, so 351, right?
It is. Yes, a 351 with the roller cam convertible.
What size cam's in it?
You know, I knew he was going to ask me that.
Three-quarter
Yeah,
raise?
3/4 raise. No, it's a comp 224 on the intake, 232 on the exhaust.
Dual pattern.
Yeah, the lift on it's right around 520, 530.
Sounds great, man.
Oh, thanks.
Sounds great.
Yeah, it drives good.
Sweet. Hell yeah, man. So you've had it 3 weeks?
Yeah, about a month. About a month, I'd say.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well, Gerald's got it going on, man.
Well, the guy who built it did a really good job. It just needed a few little things. I had to straighten out the rear end. It had a few issues with the rear end, and but no, the guy who built it, man, he did a great job. I love the stance of the car.
Oh, I
got a
do
real
too.
nice rate to it.
I mean, look at that.
And I've driven on a highway, nothing wrong.
That suspension's firm.
It is.
They ain't gonna move it.
Is. Yeah. I mean, I thought it retired when I was up somewhere.
Get me a look at this, man. So Edelbrock heads on it. So it's got an aftermarket wiring harness, doesn't it?
It does. Yeah. They said the wiring in the car's all new.
Man, that is super nice, man.
Oh, thank you.
Super nice.
Thank you.
Wow. Now this was a surprise because I had no idea you had this.
Yeah, well, I ain't had an old in a while.
We got the hatch up here. Yeah, last time we checked out the hatch, it was not running. That's what you get for racing, man. Going to Mexico and race anybody. So we've got this over here too. Check that out. Dang. Mustang heaven here. I like it.
Yeah. George has nice cars. George has really nice cars.
Yeah, one thing, I've never seen this Cobra, like under the hood or anything. Look at that. How many miles you say was on this?
I think it's got 15,000 original.
Wow.
Almost
That's,
16.
Ain't that something?
Yeah.
You gonna put it back in?
Yeah.
What'd you ask me?
I said, have you been over to Mom's before?
Nope.
Okay.
Mom's music.
Gotcha.
Get a view of this too. Did you take it down and run it?
He did, believe it or not. He said it went at 12:53.
Yeah.
110 or 12, something like that. But no, it's been off the track before. S550 car. I'm going to modify to make it, because I don't really like the way the exhaust is done on this thing. It's got those kind of mid-length headers on it,
Yeah, yeah.
and I got I'm gonna fabricate this pipe here. It's kind of nice if you got, like, you know.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that's actually for a S550 car.
All kinds of goodies around here, man. There's Dixie. Howdy, baby. Oh, he's so cute. He's a big doggy. Yeah, look how big you are. Can I pet you? Yeah, look at you. That's a good dog. Alright, guys, so I'm following Gerald out to his mom's. He said they bought a Light Cobra Mustang. Can't wait to see this bad boy. He's always got surprises. I'll be back when we get there. Very nice, man. Here, guys, so